motorcycle fans. It is Sunday, January 12th, and it is 73 degrees and kind of rainy and muggy out here. But I have a big project. I have my engine guards from Revzilla from Givi finally arrived. So I'm going to attempt to install those with my ridiculously inept mechanical skills. I think I've got a torque wrench someplace. I couldn't find it at home, so hopefully it's over here in the storage unit. And you know my motto, something is better than nothing, usually. So here we have our Givi Paramotore Nero Honda CB500X 2013, which should fit my 2015. Oh, here's the best part of all. See this Christmas stuff? Christmas ornaments and everything. Christmas is officially put away. Thank God. And look what I found. It is a torque wrench. Now this is something that has mystified me for my entire life, but I'm going to try to figure out how to use this today. So we'll see how that goes. So I got the bars out of the kryptonite case. They were packed in, and these look like pretty heavy-duty stuff. And I got a package with nuts and bolts and hopefully some decent instructions. We'll see. And so here you can see I've got a parts list and I have my instructions. I love these instructions. A, B, C. There you go. A, B, C. Can I follow A, B, C though? That is the question. So we'll see. So, motorcycle fans, here's what I figured out. I've got to release these two bolts up in there, and then this bolt, I think, and this one, and you know, I'm cranking on them and they're not coming loose, and I don't know what I'm doing. I can't do it. A man's got to know his limitations. I don't know if you ever saw that Clint Eastwood movie, but a man has to know his limitations. So these bars are going to sit here until I'm ready to take this over for service. I'm going to take it easy in the dirt, and at some point I got to go. I got to get the tires. I've heard about Shinko 705s. I've heard about Michelin Anakis. I think I can get a 17-inch one for the front tires. The back's no problem. And have them look at the why the clutch sticks a little bit. Get all that done in one shot. And honestly, you know, if I had a lift and good lighting and all the tools, I would do it. But for me to crawl around on my knees on the concrete, plus I swear to God, the humidity today must be 99%. I'm drenched with sweat just standing here. So I'm gonna leave working on my bike to the professionals. Sad but true. I'm no good at it. And instead I'm going to just stick to riding the bike. One thing I was able to do, just so you don't think I'm completely useless, I was able to iron a Honda patch onto my jacket. So, you know, I accomplished something today. I'm giving myself credit for that.